Today I'll show you exactly how to do the milk jug winter sowing method, even with the snow on the ground.
Look at this, my garden is completely covered in snow. But I'm actually starting my spring garden today. This is the beauty of winter sowing. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B.
What is winter sowing? Winter sowing is a low-maintenance way to start cold hardy seeds outdoors in mini greenhouse containers. No grow lights, no hardening off, no clutter taking over your house. You plant them, place them outside, and let nature decide when it's time. What you'll need. You'll need clear milk jugs or plastic containers, potting mix, not garden soil, it's too heavy, seeds, duct tape, scissors, or a knife. Also a Sharpie pen to label your container. Trust me, you'll forget. Let's do this together, step by step. Step 1, cut the milk jug almost in half, leaving a hinge. Step 2, add drainage holes at the bottom. I have a soldering iron. Today I just simply use my scissors. If you've been waiting for spring to start gardening, this is your permission to begin now. Common winter sowing mistakes. Using garden soil instead of potting mix. Planting warm season crops like tomatoes too early. Forgetting to vent the container. Letting the soil dry out completely. Checking too often and opening containers unnecessarily. Step 3. Add 3 to 4 inches of moist potting mix. Great seeds for winter sowing include spinach, kale, lettuce, arugula, broccoli, and hardy herbs. Now that all of the containers are filled with soil, let's move on to planting our seeds at the recommended depth according to the seed packet. Let's take care of our labels before things get too messy. Sometimes the Sharpie pen wears off on the duct tape, so this is a backup. I love these metal-like embossed labels. Step 4. Now let's plant these seeds. To be on the safe side, I'm planting a few extra seeds. Making sure the seeds have contact with the soil. A little OCD-ish pat, pat, pat. I'm too much. Step 5, lightly water if needed. My soil is feeling pretty moist, so I'm going to skip that step. Step 6, tape the jug closed. Step 7. Be sure to remove the cap for airflow. How does this all work? Cold hardy seeds are designed to handle freezing temperatures. They will not germinate until the conditions are right. That means stronger seedlings and no transplant shock. Let's get this last container planted. My plan is to not have to buy peppers or tomatoes over the summer and hopefully through the winter. There you go, winter sowing step by step. If I can do it, then you can do it most confidently. We made it to step 8. Set it outside, yes, even directly on the snow. Snow actually helps regulate moisture and insulate the container. When will they sprout? In Zone 7B, you typically see germination late February into March, depending on the weather. Be patient. One day it's snow, then suddenly green. Let me know in the comments, are you trying winter sowing this year?
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time.
If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.